Here's a quick serger tip for you. When you're oiling your serger, a lot of people were asking me this. What points do I oil? Any mechanism that moves. So I'm moving. So that means here, 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 and all you need is a drop of oil. One drop, not a whole lot of drops. Nothing's moving in there, so I don't need to oil anything in there. Only the mechanisms where you see friction or movement. Drop oil in there. If you have an older serger, some people have dots back here or little holes back there, which means their mechanisms are a little bit further back. Go ahead and drop a dot of oil in there as well. And then you can put a drop of oil here, but make sure if you put the oil here, you wipe off any excess because that's going to go down to your fabric and you don't want the oil on your fabric. All right, and then to clean it, you can go ahead and brush it out, open it up. If you have the side that opens up, go ahead and do a little air spray. It's not going to hurt. Make sure your discs are nice and clean as well. All right. Oh, and the last tip, when you're testing your serger tail and you're ready to go, make sure your presser foot is in the up position, not the down position. You should be looking at loose stitches. And it should be easy to pull. That's it. Hope this helps.